I just got here. It is. I kind of like, I picked a little, you know, some brush and stuff so I wouldn't slip. Oh. Yeah. I just looked at, I got clickers on, so they're not going anywhere.
Okay.
I just checked them the other day. I was like, I'm pretty sure it's March. The end of March.
I looked at the same thing. I went fishing with my son yesterday morning before work nights, and yeah, mine's only good to the end of this month too.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Yep. Good deal. Good deal. I'm gonna take it somewhere else where the ramp's not as muddy.
Yeah.
Back in there and slide around. I get out and track all that mud everywhere.
Yep. Now I thought I'd come down here with some creek chubs and see if anything wanted to eat them.
There you go. Might as well.
Yeah. It is. It's beautiful. Uh-oh. It's a little guy. I think it's a little guy. If it is, we're gonna downsize everything. This is actually, I actually have like a big 7/0 circle on here, just in case I got hit by a blue. He's coming back. No, I thought he had it. What in the heck is that? That can't be a turtle. Surely that's not a turtle. Let's throw it on there like that and just see what happens. I really hope that's not a turtle. So just to give you all an understanding of what I'm doing here is I'm fishing 2 different patterns in the same spot. Right here to my left, I've got an undercut bank with a little bit of current, not a ton, and I'm about 3 feet off of it. I can actually be even closer if I wanted to. The other thing that I'm fishing is I'm fishing this main current that's out here in front of me in hopes that I find fish that are passing along the bank or any fish that might be hiding out in these undercut banks. Catfish tend to do that. They tend to hang out in undercuts quite a bit. And the water's still pretty cold, probably mid 40s, but that's definitely warm enough to get almost everything moving a little bit. That didn't take long. That might be a turtle. I can't believe we got turtles, man. That water temperature is cold. If we got a turtle, we're packing up and leaving. Because he'll take every damn bait I got. He'll just hang out in this area and he'll eat every bait I've got. There's one. Come on, take it. Take it. Okay, so the bite we got on this was definitely not a turtle. Definitely not. We're not quite to big bait time. Big bait time to me is like the end of March through April. Big baits are where it's at. We're still in like little bait mode where fish are coming out of their lethargic state. So their digestive system hasn't really like caught up to their metabolism. So they like eating small baits because it's easy to digest. They're a cold-blooded animal. So really, you know, a lot of times really late in the year, like December, end of November, December, even into January, little baits are the way to go, and it's pretty much stays that way until about the middle to the end of March. And right now we're still in the middle, or still in the beginning of March. We've had a few warm days, so I mean, a lot of them are just starting to like get out and actually look for food and be active. Probably give that about another 5 or 10 minutes and reel that rod in. It's getting tapped so much. It's getting tapped again. I hope that's not a turtle. Okay, so that's definitely a fish. Here's how you can tell. Look at it. Look how it's been squeezed. Something with gums is like biting it, picking it up and trying to carry it off. Definitely a fish. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is that right there. That's how I'm gonna hook him. Barely got my new battery back in the GoPro. There it is. We might have to cut these baits up, make them smaller, because these are obviously little channel cats. Man, I thought as soon as I set it down, there's one. There we go. Oh my. Ooh, that's a good fish. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. You're exactly what I wanted. Oh, and you're beautiful. I gotta somehow get you up here. I didn't think this through very well. Don't break my rod. Don't break my rod. Oh yeah. All right. Look at that. Man, what a beautiful freaking channel cat. That is. You've been the one that's down there this whole time. Oh yeah, about a good 5-pounder. Damn, you may be bigger than 5. Ah, heck yeah. Look at that fish. Man, that's a good fish. That'd be a good eater right there. Perfect eating fish. Let's see here. All right, yeah, about 5.5 pounds ish. Good fish. If I was in the fish eating business, you would be perfect, but I'm not. Good fish. Let's throw it back. Bloop. See you, dude. Thanks for playing. Let's get another one out there. Come on, just eat it. There we go. We got it. Oh no, he got into something. Oh no, he got into something. Damn it. Oh no, no. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Let's give him some line. Let's give him some line. See what he does. Yeah, that thing's... She's hung, buddy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be bad. I'm gonna turn the drag down to like 100. And it's still pulling. Okay. I've got one trick up my sleeve. Literally. I think we broke it. Sure did. Broke her right at the swivel. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm going with different hook. I'm going with this mother right here. What is this? What are you? 3 ounce? I need a 4. Yeah. And I need a swiveler. I need a swiveler, please. I need a swiveler on aisle 5. Oh shit. We're gonna do this different. I'm sick of all the same shit. I'm gonna spill this whole thing. Then I'll be mad and have to tie a whole new rig. I don't wanna do that. Let's nail this pin hook like this. Da 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 da. Then we go like that and like this. Snelling is a beat. Never mind. Oh my god, I'm so mad right now. I want you, one of you, to sacrifice yourself for me and my pleasure. Thank you. Oh my god, that was a disaster. Oh, I got a fish. I got a bite. And I got another bite. I got 2 bites. Boys, I just put it in there. I get weird when I ain't caught fish in a while. I get really weird. Nah, 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 nah. Nope, that's over. Abracadabra, catfish. Where the hell am I? Abracadabra, catfish. There it is. Oh, missed it. No, no. This is how a good day of fishing turns into a dumpster fire. There we go. Well, we got that lined out. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad. Whatever.